Every great story begins with a simple idea, a little spark. For so many of us, that idea is a home. It's not just about four walls and a roof over our heads. It's about a place where memories are made, where laughter echoes in the hallways, and where we can truly be ourselves. It is the backdrop to our lives, the place where we watch our kids grow and where we find comfort at the end of a long day. This dream of a perfect home is a powerful thing. It's a deep, heartfelt desire for a space that reflects who we are and what we love. It's a place to put down roots and build a future. But I know what you might be thinking. A dream home sounds expensive, maybe even impossible. It's easy to look at beautiful houses in magazines or on TV. The world tells us that dreams come with a hefty price tag. But I'm here to tell you that this simply isn't true. Your dream home is not about the size or the price. It's about the heart and soul you pour into it. It's about creating a sanctuary that is uniquely yours, a place that feels like a warm hug every time you walk through the door. The journey to your dream home starts right now, with you. Now that we have that beautiful dream in our hearts, it's time to build a strong foundation to support it. And in the world of homeownership, that foundation is a solid financial plan. This might not sound as exciting as picking out paint colors, but trust me, it's the most important first step you can take. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's a roadmap that shows you exactly where your money is going and empowers you to direct it toward what matters most, your future home. Start by simply tracking your spending for a month to see where every dollar goes. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start making intentional choices. This is where the magic happens. Look for areas where you can trim back. Maybe it's a few less coffees out each week, cooking at home more often. Every little bit truly adds up. Think of it as planting seeds. Each dollar you save is a seed that will grow into the down payment for your home. Create a separate savings account just for your house fund. Watching that number grow will be one of the most rewarding parts, giving you the motivation to keep going. Saving for a home is a marathon, not a sprint. With your budget in hand and your savings growing, the next exciting step is to think about where you want to plant your roots. The right neighborhood is just as important as the house itself. It's the community that will surround you, the streets your kids will play on, and the place you'll call home in a much broader sense. Your dream home exists within a dream community. So take some time to really think about what you want your everyday life to look like. Do you crave the quiet of a tree-lined street or the energy of a place where you can walk to shops and cafes? Start exploring. Don't just look at listings online, get in your car and drive around. Spend your weekends visiting different towns or neighborhoods that catch your eye. Go at different times of the day to get a real feel for the area. Visit the local parks. Stop by a coffee shop, talk to people who live there. Ask them what they love about their community. Pay attention to the details. Well-tended gardens, kids riding bikes, and friendly waves from neighbors. These are the things that turn a location on a map into a place where you can truly belong. Think practically about your daily life. Now for the part that gets everyone's heart racing, the house hunt. This is where your vision starts to take shape. But remember our goal, an affordable dream home. Look beyond the shiny, staged houses with high price tags. The magic is in homes with good bones and potential. Look for the worst house in the best neighborhood you can afford. These are houses others overlook. For us, they're blank canvases full of opportunity. When you walk in, try to look past the superficial. Ignore the dated wallpaper. Ignore the worn-out carpet. Ignore the avocado green appliances. Those are easy, affordable fixes. Focus on what's hard to change. Look at the layout. Does it have good flow? Are the rooms a good size? Check the foundation. Check the roof. Check the windows. Structural elements, the bones, are what matter. A solid structure is a treasure, no matter the surface. Don't be discouraged if you don't find the one right away. House hunting takes time and persistence. You'll see many houses that aren't right. That's part of the process. Each house refines what you're looking for. Congratulations, you have the keys in your hand. This is where the real fun begins. Now you get to take this house and pour your heart and soul into it to make it your home. Transforming a house on a budget is all about creativity, smart choices, and a little bit of elbow grease. The most impactful changes are often the simplest and least expensive. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most powerful tools you have. It can instantly brighten a room, make it feel bigger, and completely change the mood of a space. Think about projects you can do yourself. You don't have to be a professional contractor to make a huge difference. Learning to paint, change out light fixtures, or install new cabinet hardware are all skills you can pick up from online tutorials. Tackling these projects yourself not only saves a ton of money, but it also gives you an incredible sense of pride and ownership. Every time you walk into a room you painted yourself, you'll feel that connection to your home. Start with one room at a time so you don't feel overwhelmed. Celebrate each finished project. When it comes to furnishing and decorating, think secondhand first. Flea markets, thrift stores, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of unique, affordable pieces with character and history. An old dresser can be transformed with a coat of chalk paint. A vintage armchair can be the perfect cozy reading spot. Mixing old and new pieces creates a home that feels collected and authentic. Remember, creating your dream home is a journey, not a destination.